Welcome back to our channel, where we're diving deep into natural solutions for common health issues. In today's episode, we're tackling a concern that affects many, especially children: ear infections. If you or your loved ones are dealing with this discomfort, stick around as we unveil 4 powerful natural remedies that could bring you relief. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable health tips. Let's get started. Understanding ear infections. Before we jump into the remedies, let's grasp the basics. Ear infections can be caused by a variety of factors, including wax buildup, upper respiratory infections, allergies, genetics, and more. They often come with troublesome symptoms like ear pain, difficulty sleeping, and even fever. Whether it's in the outer, middle, or inner ear, we've got solutions for you. Tackling inner ear infections. Inner ear infections are particularly concerning, as they can lead to serious complications. Avoiding damage to the eardrum is crucial. But fear not, we've got your back with these easy-to-implement home remedies. Remedy 1. Soothing Salt Compress. Our first remedy involves an ingredient you likely have in your kitchen: salt. Heat up a cup of salt and place it on a cloth. When it's comfortably warm, lay down and apply the cloth to the affected ear. This technique helps to draw out fluids, easing swelling and pain. For a twist, you can use rice instead. Repeat this remedy daily for optimal results. Remedy 2. Garlic's Healing Touch. Next up, we've got a superstar ingredient: garlic. Known for its antimicrobial properties, it's a perfect candidate for ear infection relief. Make garlic oil by cooking 2 cloves in sesame or mustard oil until they turn blackish. Strain the solution, and when it's warm, apply 2 to 4 drops in the ear. Alternatively, boil fresh garlic cloves, crush them, and apply the mixture on a clean cloth against the ear. And don't forget, consuming raw garlic accelerates healing too. Remedy 3. Apple Cider Vinegar Magic. Now let's talk about a household staple: apple cider vinegar. It's excellent for tackling fungal infections. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with water or alcohol, soak a cotton ball, and place it in the ear for about 5 minutes. Once done, lie on your side to drain excess liquid. For that final touch, use a hairdryer to ensure your ear is dry. Remedy 4. Olive Oil Rescue. Wax buildup can be a culprit behind ear infections. To deal with it, we've got the soothing power of olive oil. Gently warm some olive oil and put a few drops in the infected ear. The oil will soften the wax, making it easier to remove. Remember, be cautious with cotton-tipped swabs to avoid damaging the eardrum. And there you have it: 4 incredible natural remedies that can offer you relief from ear infections. Remember, these remedies are here to complement professional medical advice, not replace it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more wellness tips and exciting recipes, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay tuned.